Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. Let me move that over there. So this is we're going to speak about PROPBASE today. I've spoken about it previously as well, but I've been in their Telegram. I've had a few discussions with people in there. I'm really bullish on it since the whole labs fiasco, because I do think that real estate and crypto can have a real nice sort of synergy between the two. And I think there's a way of maybe making a decent amount of profit from it too. This is like the retail worldwide market cap. It stood back in 2022 at $397.7 trillion. So there's big money within the space. How much of that can then be put through crypto, for Web3 real estate, essentially, or at least Web3 real estate investment. So we're going to look at PROPBASE. So it's welcome to the future of real estate. The PROPBASE, I think they're working on this app. It looks really good. It shows you your wallet and what you can be gaining annually in income. You can start with as little as $100 in the real estate investment journey and get on the ground floor of high quality, resilient real estate assets with fractional ownership. Fractional ownership will become more and more popular the more that people have less access to surplus, spending money essentially. So fractional ownership could be something that's going to be quite big in the future. You can buy on Mexi, Gate.io, BitGet, or Bitmart. Props has achieved record-breaking success. Stay tuned for a jam-packed Q2 of 2024 with more top CX listings, Props bridge to EVM, and prop-based Nexus launch, which we'll check in a little while on the roadmap. You can stake your props as well now, which is all here. So $25 million under tokenization value, 15,000 plus on-chain holders, 8 to 12% yearly yield with a 5 to 6% capital gains. It's built on Aptos, so PropBase is highly scalable, fast and secure blockchain-based tokenized property transaction platform, built using the most advanced technology, transforming property into a modern liquid asset class. And then you can look through here and have a look through the website yourselves. Shows you how you can buy it. Again, I'll show you some of that a little bit later. Our next-gen property investing experience of fractional ownership. So every property is tokenized and you can purchase all or a fraction of the total property. And then you can earn a rental yield. So every property comes with a guaranteed rental income locked in for a set period of time. Qualified properties. So all properties are qualified assets with management companies. A P2P marketplace where you can sell your tokens anytime by creating a listing on the P2P marketplace. The app is great for individuals, enterprises, and funds because there's a lot of REIT funds and stuff like that that could be used for this. Whether you're an individual, an enterprise, or a fund, PropBase is your solution for building a real estate portfolio that meets your requirements. And I think this is very good because it doesn't. Real estate, a lot of the time, particularly when you're going to buy somewhere, if you want to buy houses to have it as an additional rental income, it's very, very difficult unless you've got decent funds to begin with. This lets everybody get a piece of it from ground level, and obviously you can expand that as you go. You can DCA in, or you can, reinvest your rental income into buying more and more props or more and more stakes in properties and things like that. I think it's interesting. I like the way it's done. As you know, I think Labs are bringing out a stay token next. And I'm going to go nowhere near that after the experience that I had with Labs. So for individuals, PropBase makes property investing accessible to everyone. Get the same opportunities as large investment funds and tap the benefits that they have enjoyed for years. For enterprise, diversity and safeguard your enterprise's balance sheet against inflation with a globally diversified real estate investment portfolio while enjoying the added benefit of liquidity. And then for funds, you can build a high-performance portfolio in some of the best and fastest-growing locations in the world. Your global reach has never been this perfect. Again, it's a really good website, this. I do enjoy it. I think they're going to have a revamp of this pretty soon as well. Your portfolio is powered by high-quality, resilient real estate assets. Here are some of the property types we are looking to bring to the platform. PropBase has a geographical focus in Southeast Asia. Properties listed on the platform are newly built and managed by professional property services companies, so you never have the headache of dealing with a tenant or property maintenance, which can be obviously very, very nice if you want to do this as a passive kind of income. So it's got residential, you've got real estate assets perform better in economic downturn no matter what. Housing is always in demand, so when after bull run's finished, likely to probably lead into an economic downturn, which can then, you can sort of hedge your bets by having property investments as well. So condo launches, condo investment has always been the safest way to get on the ground floor of premium residential real estate projects by reputable property developers. And commercial has enjoyed the same returns earned by investment funds, and now you have the access to the same opportunities. So it's really, really interesting. The tokenomics as well, they're not too bad. I think they're fine. I think there's 1.2 billion off the top of my head that I think a total supply. The market is 10%, company only 12%, foundation advisors and seeds Rewards 35%. So I think that's quite good. So I think there's going to be a lot of focus on staking, I think, coming soon. And I think that's very interesting. So the tokenomics to me seem absolutely fine. Here is the step-by-step guide of how to buy props if you wish to. It's achieved remarkable momentum driven by a results-oriented approach, a powerhouse team, amazing community, and cutting-edge real-world tokenization platform in Southeast Asia. So these are the ways you can buy it. If you want to buy it from MEXC, MEXC is here. There is a link in the description. I've got an affiliate link for MEXC if you want to help the channel further and you do want to purchase props. If you don't have an MEXC account, if you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to MEXC and you can sign up there. And then every time you trade or buy anything, I get a little kickback from that. That's if you want to help the channel. If not, you can just sign up yourself on your own MEXC account. And you can also share your referral link when you've got one. That's absolutely fine. Then quick look at the team. So we've got founder and CEO Kevin Goose, who's entrepreneur and expert in technical platform development. We've got the executive director, which is Hudson Liang, expert in growth strategy, Web3 and marketplace, and executive director Jesse Gage, expert in building online marketplaces, media and marketing. So I'm gonna try and reach out. I mean, I've reached out a little bit and spoke to them a little bit about their plans and things like that. So what I'm going to try and do is maybe try and get one or two on a call, and maybe do a video, bringing them in like an AMA. So let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like, and we'll try and do that. Roadmap for 2024 is here. So the next step is PROPBASE Nexus, which we'll talk about in a second on a tweet that we've seen from PROPBASE. Then it's going to have a website revamp, which I think is going to be really, really good. EVM Bridge, prop-based Apex, and prop-based Patreon, which is an affiliate and referral module. Dynamic reward system, affiliate tracking rewards, rewards and loyalty protocol. So this is interesting. They've got their plan for this year. Interested to see as well what their plan will be for next year, because I think they've basically delivered on everything they said they were going to deliver. This is what I was talking about before. So PropBase is set to unleash PropBase Nexus. So Nexus is our property marketplace, bringing tokenized property to everyone, starting at $100. To celebrate the final run to its launch this month, we are doing our largest giveaway to date. So they're giving away $2,500 of props. So to do that, you have to follow up PropBase, join their Telegram, which I recommend you do anyway if you think about investing into this. Like this post, comment why you're bullish on PropBase, tag 5 people and include props, hashtag props and $ props. Include your Petra or Pontem wallet address. It must be Aptos wallet. And the prize is every 10 comments, there'll be one winner. Capped at 1,000 comments, being 100 winners. Each winner will get $25 in props. Winners picked 1 week after Nexus launch. The date is still to be confirmed. Winners will have the comments posted, commented on by saying, congratulations with the Aptos transaction link as proof of payment. Note, do not follow any links to claim your prize when announced. It'll be airdropped to you. We want to keep the community safe, which is very key. Don't click on anything. Don't connect your wallet to anything that isn't directly through the correct channels. The scammers are getting more and more smart, so just be wary of that. So when we spoke about PropBase back in, I think it was January time, you can see here, this was the video we did, and the price was 2 cents. Since then, it's done really well. It's obviously 10x from that. So we were speaking about it when it was down here. Since then, it's obviously run up and it's come down a bit, which is nice. It's a healthy 13 cents. I mean, it went its all-time high. It went up to 26 cents on April the 5th. So I think there's still some legs in this. But like you say, it's already had a 10x market cap of $44 million. If we want a 10x now, it's going to be 400 million. But I think that there's potential that it could still 100x from here. There is a distinct possibility of that happening. A lot of good things would have to happen for it to go that way, but anything from 20, 30, 50x, I think would be very, very good. If it does go to the 4 billion market cap, it'll be currently around that top 30 position. But obviously during a bull run, all of these top 30 will have a higher market cap. So it may be 4 billion just to get into the top 50. So there is that as well. There's an argument for that, but I'm super bullish. I think it's going to do really, really well. I like the fact that there is now an outstanding real estate crypto available, at this level, at this stage of its development. I know a lot of people are talking about Relio. I think that's quite good too. I did prefer Labs. I still have a useless Labs NFT that I can do absolutely nothing with. which is obviously a shame. So it is what it is. Sometimes you pick the right one, sometimes you pick the wrong one. But let me know in the comments what you think about PROPBASE. Let me know also if you want to see an AMA that we may be able to do with the team and see what we can come up with. I think it's great. I think it's going to do really well. Let me know what you guys think. Like this video if you did like it. Subscribe if you can. I always appreciate when you guys do that. I'm really trying to get to that 5,000 subscriber mark now. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, have an amazing day, have an amazing evening, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.